primetime news this evening. Rio Cobre polluted again. This time, oil spill has fishers and other stakeholders upset. 400 and counting. Road crash fatalities surge past crisis marker. American among the latest victims. And beleaguered beryllium scrambling for answers after yet another robbery attempt.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we've been hearing complaints about automated banking machines. Well, the banks are looking at the safety mechanisms and other related issues. Find out more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Archie, you may or may not have seen a video which has now gone viral on social media involving Mona High students entering the Jamaica College premises in their victory parade from the Manning Cup win last week. Well, that happened on Monday. Well, we do have some responses from some of the stakeholders involved. I'll tell you a little later on whether there'll be any sanctions for the people involved.
Very interesting story right there. And also interesting is the weather, especially in the evenings. I don't know if you've been feeling it.
I've been feeling the Christmas breeze.
Yes.
So is it going to be cool, Romain?
Yes, we are expecting slightly cooler conditions across the island, especially on this weekend that's coming up on Friday and Saturday. We have a frontal system that is likely to be very close to the island at that time. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
I feel like he was planning to say something else, but we'll go with it. Let's go. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what additional steps have you taken to improve your personal security this Christmas? You
can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.